So problem 3, we are going to solve the capacitance of a single circuit line. So single circuit, you know what is meant by single circuit. So we are having one conductors per phase, that we call it as a single circuit line. So for problem 3, so I am considering a single three-phase line, single three-phase line operated at 50 hertz is arranged. Will be, I will draw the figure. So the conductor diameter is conductor diameter I am considering. So conductor diameter is 0.6 centimeter. The line will be regularly transposed. Line is regularly transposed. Line is a transposed one. So the conductor arrangement I will draw. Conductor A, B and C. So this will be 2 meter and this will be 2 meter and this it will be 3 meter. Now, so we have to find inductance. So you have to calculate inductance per kilometer and you have to calculate capacitance per kilometer. Right? So one problem where we are going to calculate inductance as well as capacitance. Right. So yes, you know, so before going to the inductance and capacitance calculation, first we will consider radius. So diameter, it will be given as 0.6 centimeter. So radius, it will be 0.3 centimeter. Now, so we know GMR value. So GMR value, because we need to find inductance. So GMR value, that will be equal to R dash. So it will be 0.7788 R. So 0.7788 into 0.3 centimeter. So it will be, if you put in calculator, you will get 0.23364 centimeter. So they have given distances. I am considering D1. So I am considering this one D1, D2 and D3. So it will be in terms of meter. So I will convert it into centimeter because all the values I am having in terms of centimeter. So it will be 200 centimeter. D2 will be 300 centimeter. Right. So first we will calculate inductance. So we know the formula for inductance. L will be equal to 2 into 10 power of minus 7 ln of dm by ds Henry per meter. So dm, or I will write 2 into 10 power minus 7. So for dm, it will be an cubic root of d1, d2, d3. Divided by ds value will be r dash. Right? So we know the values of d1, d2, d3, and we know the values of r dash. So if you substitute and convert into kilometer, so L will be equal to 1.378 millihenry. Right. So next will be the capacitance. So capacitance, we know the formula for capacitance. So capacitance C will be equal to 2 pi sigma naught divided by ln of dm by ds farad per meter. So R I can write it. So 2 pi sigma naught divided by ln of, so dm, it will be cubic root of d1, d2 and d3 divided by, so ds value will be R. So you check, so in inductance, we will use R dash. So inductance we will use R dash, in capacitance we will use R. So that is the difference in ds calculation when we compare with inductance and capacitance. So once if you calculated this value, so we know all the values d1, d2, d3 as well as R value. So if you substitute in the calculator, you will get capacitance will be equal to 8.3814 into 10 power minus 12 farad. Per meter. Suppose if we want in terms of kilometer, we have to multiply by 1000. So 8.3814 into 10 power minus 9 farad per kilometer. Right? So this is the capacitance value. So once if you complete this problem, you will understand the difference between inductance calculation and capacitance calculation. So I will write. So in inductance, so it will be equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 of ln of dm by ds. So in capacitance, it will be 2 pi sigma naught divided by ln of dm divided by ds. So for a single phase line, say example, we are having two conductors. So the distance will be d. So what we will write? So dm will be equal to d. ds will be equal to r dash. So in capacitance, dm will be equal to d, ds will be equal to r. So if we are having three-phase line, so whether it is symmetrical or unsymmetrical, so I will consider so d1, d2 and d3. So dm, it will be cubic root of d1, d2, d3. So ds, it will be equal to r dash. So similarly capacitance, so dm, it will be equal to same cubic root of d1, d2, d3. ds will be equal to r. Suppose this d1, d2, d3 will be same. If symmetrical, all these three values will be symmetrical means, so we will say d1 equal to d2 equal to d3. So we will say dm will be equal to d. So here also dm will be equal to d. So ds will be same. So ds, it will be r. So ds, it will be r dash. So this is the difference if we are having in inductance as well as capacitance.